Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time, welcome. As you see, we are at Burlington checking out Christmas. They had some really cute stuff, you guys. I definitely recommend that you go and hit them up if you're looking for some affordable Christmas decor. So this Santa was actually pretty heavy. I couldn't find the price on it, but there's one on the other side that's kind of similar to it, just different colors. It should be the same price as that one. So this reindeer right here, I can't tell if he's kind of cute to me or not. I don't know if it's the eyes, it's just kind of crazy looking. I don't know, maybe that's just me. But this Letters to Santa box was really cute. Especially if you have like children, they can stuff their little letters in there. So I could not find the price of this particular wreath. I was looking and looking and I did not see a tag. I'm going to assume that it's somewhere between $16.99 and $24.99 based off of the prices of the other wreaths in the store, which is not bad when you think of the wreaths that are at like Joann's, Michael's, and those other stores. So they had these candle holders throughout the store, and you'll see that in different parts of the video. The bigger ones were $14.99 and the smaller one is $12.99. I think I like that smaller one a little better, but as you can see, it has the snow on it, so keep in mind that will be messy, and you can see that from the table. So these were actually the only ornaments that I saw in the store. That was a 50 count for $16.99. Now I wouldn't purchase them from here. Check out the at-home store. They have a 50 count for $9.99, and then Hobby Lobby also has a 50 count for $19. But you know there's always some promotion, so it will be even lower than that. So if you're anything like me and like the glitzy, sparkly stuff, then I'm sure this table is right up your alley. Those angels were $9.99, super cute, and I like that little Christmas tree. I actually should have purchased it, but at the time I didn't know what color scheme I was gonna go with. This reindeer is $8.99. I didn't get a close-up of the price, but I think I'm actually gonna go back and get that as well because it's gonna tie in with my theme. I'm thinking silver and like a icy blue. I saw some reindeer at the at-home store that were blue with silver on it, so I think that would be a good addition to my theme. Let me know down below, what are you guys gonna do for Christmas? What is your theme or Christmas colors? Y'all, it seemed like I was just having a rough time in there trying to find the prices on stuff. Every time I would pick up a tag to see the price, it ended up being the gift tag. So the rose gold and gold wreath was $24.99. I like it, but it's just a little too thin, just kind of sparse for me, and I just don't think it would be worth it to add more picks and things just to make it fuller for me. So I don't think any Christmas decor in any store would be complete without a nativity set. This one here was $14.99. So for my people that actually like to collect snowmen, these were the only ones I saw in the store today. Maybe they'll add some more later, but that wasn't bad for $19.99, and it was a nice size too. So I actually did not smell these candles, so I'm not sure how potent they are, but that pine wreath one was $3.99 and the cinnamon stick is $7.99. So they have more reindeer. Now this one is $1 cheaper, and I believe it's because it's smaller than that silver one that we saw earlier. So they had some more beautiful angels here. Now those tall ones, you guys, those things were heavy. I actually had to put my phone down just so I could kind of get the picture of the price, and you'll see that towards the end of this video. So we're coming up on the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough. Definitely, if you saw some things that you liked in this video, go ahead and take a trip to Burlington, see if they have this stuff at your store. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below before you click off. That really helps my channel a lot. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next one. Take care.